Take a ride in the 2023 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive. Your new ride is just a phone call away.